is Michelle Mundaza from BIT 4O. Oh my god, so nice. I have 4 years in college. Okay. My father was the one who gave me my name. He wanted to be similar to his own name, which is Michael. Michael is his name. Aside from that, my name is also came from the song Michelle by the Beatles. You know that band, popular band in some 1960s. Okay, the name itself, Michelle. The name Michelle has a meaningful origin. It is a variant of the French Michel, which comes from the biblical name Michael. Um, it means who resembles God or who is like God. Oh my God, what's that? This makes me my name very special to me. Oh, so very special, but it's common. Maybe it's common in other countries to give it the name Michelle. Hmm. About my nickname, I also have a few nicknames. They call me some of my besties and my friends call me Mitch. Some other people call me Shell. I mean, Shell means CHELLE. Shell only. And my mother and father gave me and called me by my true name, Michelle. Michelle, yeah. Oh, my birthday! My birth year was October 18, 2002, which is maybe I'm 22 years old right now. And October 18, when I got October 18, I am 23 by that time. Any future plans? Oh my god. For my future plans, I would like to continue studying after graduation while working or finding a job. I believe the further education will give me better opportunities, especially here in the country. It is difficult to find a job since mostly in here in our country need experience. So I am not experiencing yet. Even if I have OJTs, hindi pa rin pala ako pwedeng magtrabaho ng mga high paid jobs. Kailangan, nasa mababang level ka lang kasi hindi ka pa naman naka-experience. Mas, prepare ng company na makahanap ng may experience. If I am fortunate enough, I would like also to work abroad. If my experience na ako 2 to 3 years, yun ang hinahanap din sa abroad. I would like to go or my ultimate goal is to live a stable life. Siyempre, kung may kaya ka na, pwede ka na rin magpamilya after. Pero hindi pa sa edad ko na to kasi nag-aaral pa ako at nagtatrabaho. At yun nga, maghahanap pa rin ng trabaho. And especially my mother, kaming dalaw na lang, the two of us since my father died. So, kailangan magsikap din. Hindi lang nag-aaral lang. Nag-working student din po kasi ako eh. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. And that will be all for my self-introduction. Good luck and enjoy! Thank you for watching!